turtle puzzle, huh?
You don't want to open it now, though, do you?
What?
You don't want to open it now, do you?
Put it over here with this other stuff.
I don't have any big bags.
Okay, Santa gave you this.
Why not?
Wad it up there.
Santa gave me this.
Santa gave you that. Put it up here, Greg.
Yeah, a whole bunch of them.
See, Grandma's happy because she knows now that there's G.I. Joes everywhere.
Better than Legos everywhere.
Yeah, better than Legos.
Aw, how
Oh,
nice.
that's nice.
Did you give Grandma her present?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Did you
right. I
open
found
it?
it.
Uh-huh.
Well, where is it? We didn't see it.
Yeah, we didn't see it. Wow, you gave that to Grandma?
Wow, that's nice, Grandma. So now it's not a toy anymore, it's Grandma's.
That's right.
Okay.
Is there any more?
All right, Craig. Let's see.
Mine?
Okay, one at a time.
One at a time.
Just get too much junk out of the tree. Boy, we never had a Christmas like that.
More G.I. Joe!
This is the G.I. Joe year.
The year of G.I. Joe.
Tomorrow present for me.
Did you see that pile?
Yeah.
All of them.
Greedy little snot.
I like the way he asked.
Great Mouse Detective!
That.
Great Mouse Detective!
Oh, it's a tape. Good.
Wow. Did you watch that one before?
Nope.
No, he's never seen that
Okay, Daddy will put that over by the TV.
Yeah, put that.
So I'll put it over here for now.
one. Yeah, put it over there for now.
Looks like an Aladdin towel, huh?
Yeah.
What else is in it? Aladdin towel?
Nope.
Latin washcloth. Yeah.
What do you think, Craig? You like that?
Latin washcloth, Latin towel to wrap in.
That's him.
Yeah, after you take a bath.
How you like that?
Fine. I always want one. Mickey's glasses.
No, it's a Mickey viewer, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You're
In
supposed to
3D.
You're supposed to look inside there and you see stuff.
You have to look at the light.
Can you look at the light on Daddy's camera over there? Can you see something?
Yeah.
Wow, pretty nice, huh? You wanna
See
look?
a boat.
Can I look? Let me see. Wow.
I want to open this present. I want to open this present.
Go ahead. You can open it. Is that the last one you're gonna open?
Yeah. No. Open all of mine.
Save some for next Christmas.
No. I'm not gonna say mine. I'm gonna open mine all.
What are you gonna do with them?
I'm gonna play them.
We
G.I.
Can
Joe.
we throw them out later?
No, I got stuff with G.I. Joes.
Oh, that goes with your Mickey Mouse
Oh, that goes with
Viewmaster.
this. So you can look at that later. It's DuckTales. And you can see DuckTales later. Did you know how to do this? What you do is when you look through that, you do this, and then you can see a different picture. Try one time. Okay, look at. Then you turn this. See?
It puts in my eyes.
I'll push in your eyes with my head, my fist. He's getting entirely too much junk, Mom.
That's what I said.
Well, some of it's not junk. He's got the towels.
What about the clothes?
This is a bad guy, huh?
Yep. Push the buttons, Mike.
What buttons?
On the back.
I don't want to play those.
Well, don't you want to open your other presents first?
You got a lot of presents left first.
Yeah, open all of them.
Is he tired of opening them? He's got so much.
He's anxious to play with G.I. Joes.
Oh, yay!
It's a coloring book.
Look.
Wow.
Here's another
Grandma,
present
go
for
put
you.
it-
He's getting tired.
Grandma, put it
Craig.
with your coloring
No,
book.
I'm not getting tired.
There's another present for you, Craig.
Right here. They tell me there's no more under the tree.
There's no more under the tree.
I just got 2 more.
3 more.
3 more. Coloring pens!
Yeah, new
All
ones.
right, good.
All right.
Nice.
Grandma will put it with the book and the crayons.
Me and Grandma trying to be an organized here.
Yes.
Bring order out of this chaos. Gee, should I guess what this is going to be?
Legos!
No.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
There you go. Here's another one.
More G.I. Joe! More G.I. Joe!
Wow.
I have to get a lot of G.I. Joe for Christmas. And we'll see if this is G.I. Joe.
That's good. It's not too
Yeah!
loud.
It's
Of course,
a
it's in
pirate!
plastic now. It might be a lot more loud.
It's a pirate G.I. Joe!
All right.
It's a bad guy!
All right. You need more bad guys.
Hey, Craig. Is that all your toys? What about your stocking? Is there anything in your stocking?
Let's see.
Grandma, would
Yeah.
you get that down for
Oh,
him?
my goodness.
Oh,
Something in
good
the
my
stocking?
Yeah, Santa put some stuff in the
Oh,
stocking.
we dropped one. Here.
Here, you dropped one. Santa put stuff in the stocking. Dump it out on the G.I. Joe box and open it up.
Put it all over here. Here, I'll help you.
Mommy!
Aren't you happy, Mom?
I'm going to make David even happier. So I'm going to go upstairs.
There's plenty of room on the floor upstairs, Mom.
Oh, it's like that.
Yeah, G.I. Joe headquarters could probably stay set up there.
Yeah. Because it's too big to be carrying around.
Yeah.
And they're right, Craig.
No longer. Play you down here.
Give today he can. It's Christmas. You can't do that on Christmas? It's Christmas, Ma. Here, Uncle Mike, rip that for him, would you?
But it's a car.
See?
Yeah, I saw it. I got another tape.
Oh, it's a G.I. Joe tape, huh?
I got G.I. Joe tape.
A G.I. Joe movie?
Wow. Okay, you got 3 more here.
I always wanted a G.I. Joe movie.